Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town.
Hello everyone and welcome to my 2020 Christmas Clean and Decorate. It is the weekend after Thanksgiving, which is usually when I put up all my Christmas decorations. It was so hard to hold out this year with the pandemic going on for over 9 months now. I think we all could use some Christmas joy in our lives this year, so no judgment from me if you've had your Christmas decorations up for weeks and weeks. But anyways, I held out till after Christmas, and I am going to be starting by cleaning up my living room and getting all my Christmas decor out, which my husband was so nice to bring up from the basement. That's like half the battle of getting your house decorated for the holidays. But for this room, I did enlist my kids to help me, which made it a little bit faster. And I really hope that you guys enjoy seeing how I decorated my home for the holidays this year. Something super simple that you can do to add a little bit of holiday cheer is replacing your frames that you have around your house with some Christmas photos. I took these for our Christmas card this year, and it was such an easy way to incorporate them into my decor. While I was in the zone getting my clean and decorate on, the delivery man delivered one of my many holiday packages that I've ordered this season, and today it was my Mapiful that I ordered as a gift for my sister-in-law this holiday season. I have ordered from them before, and I love how you can create a custom piece of artwork for your home, and it is also going to make a perfect gift for this holiday season. They have tons of different design options that you can choose from, like a classic map, a star map, or even a zodiac Mapiful, with lots of different fonts and colors and easy ways to customize it so it's going to fit your aesthetic perfectly. Now this time I chose a classic star Mapiful with the details that I thought that she would enjoy, and you can also order a customized hanger or a frame to go along with it. I ordered one for my son this past summer, and he absolutely loves astronomy, and it fits in just perfectly with the colors in his room. So you can head on over to mapiful.com and easily design your own. It literally just takes minutes to put in all the information that you want, choose all the specifications that you are looking for. And the best part is that they offer free shipping worldwide, which is an amazing deal, especially if you don't live in the United States. You can order this internationally and still get free shipping, which is so cool of them. So I'm going to leave all of their information down in the description box. I know it's December, but there is still plenty of time that you can order such a special gift for someone this holiday season and get it in time so that you can wrap it up before the holidays. Okay, so now I am moving on into my kitchen. One of my biggest decorating tips is to make sure that you want to decorate on a day where your house isn't that messy. I had actually sort of tidied everything up the night before, so pretty much everything just needed to be wiped down and tidied up a little bit more. You definitely don't want to have to spend hours cleaning up your house before putting out your decorations. So that's just something that I like to keep in mind. The night before I decorate, I try and spend a little extra time making sure that my house isn't a disaster.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
So I don't put a ton of decor up, but I do have a few little signs that I like to add, and I always have a Christmas candle burning in my kitchen as well. My mom got me these cute holiday stackable mugs as well as some new dish towels, and those just added the perfect final pop of Christmas to my kitchen. My dining room is the first room that you see when you walk in my house, so I always like it to look extra special. And since we don't eat in here too often, it doesn't get too messy. But I'm going to start by putting up this pre-lighted garland at the top of my china cabinet. These are so easy to incorporate into your decor when they already have the lights on them. All you have to do is just plug them in. This little glass tree in the middle is actually for my wine charms. You can add these to people's wine glasses when you have guests over. Since we're in the middle of a pandemic, I don't anticipate we're going to be having much company, but I still put it out anyways because it's so cute, and my friend actually gave me the charms last year.
I wish for the Christmases of old, where the snow would fall and the air was crisp and cold.
These giant ornaments are one of my favorite pieces of holiday decor that I own. They're from Kirkland's a few years ago, and I just love how big and bright they are.
While building Frosty the Snowman until late outside. Oh, how I wish for the Christmases of old, when all was right and the candlelight would glow, where we used to play in the wintry wonderland, and we hear carols sung from Rudolph's mouth.
This sled is such a cool way to display all the Christmas cards that you get in the mail. I already got one from my sister. She is so on the ball this year, and look at how cute my niece and nephew are. My other favorite piece of holiday decor is this moose. I got this years ago on clearance after Christmas at CVS of all places, but I absolutely love it. It's like one of my favorite things, and I look forward to putting it out every holiday season.
Give me some ribbons and a chimney for Santa's sake. No, it's not too late. No, it's not too late.
I will link the video where I created this centerpiece. I did it last December in a Christmas bake and craft with me. So again, I'll link that video in the description box if you want a little bit more information about how I put this together.
Christmases of old, when all was right and the candlelight would glow.
I don't do a ton of decor in the bedrooms. However, something that I learned from Brianna Kay's channel is getting a Christmas duvet cover. Now, you can just stuff your regular old comforter in here, but it is an easy and inexpensive way to add a ton of Christmas cheer to your room. Look at how bright and merry my bed looks, and it's pretty inexpensive because it's just the duvet cover. You can use your regular comforter, so it's easy to store away in the off season.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, we're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Play it with me under the mistletoe.
I don't do a lot in my kids' rooms either. I don't like them to get too cluttered up. So all I'm doing is just tidying both of their rooms, giving them a quick little vacuum, and then I'm putting up their miniature artificial Christmas trees. I got these at Big Lots last year. They weren't very much money, and I got a few little ornaments from the Dollar Tree, and I love how they can light up and just make their room seem extra magical.
While Santa's busy saying ho, 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 we're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake. And then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying hi to every friendly face. And later we warm up by the fireplace. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Merry Christmas Day. A Merry Christmas Day. Oh.
I want to thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this Christmas clean and decorate with me, and that it provided you with a little bit of holiday joy this year. I know we all can certainly use it. Don't forget to go check out Mapiful. They are a great place to get some really cool and customizable holiday gifts. The link's down in the description box, and I'll see you guys next Monday with another brand new video. Bye.